Hello everybody, my name is Mama Safari, your contact person at V-COIL in Germany. In the last video you saw the function of our V-COIL tabs but with hand tabs, and now I will show you the function of our V-COIL rapid tabs. You need a battery powered screwdriver. We have here with 18 volt as power and our V-COIL rapid tabs. So I will place it in my screwdriver, and of course you will need lubrication as all the tapping processes. So now I can start my process. Okay. So very good, and then now we should replace our insert also with the special tools in Rapid program. Just turn it here and replace it. Of course, clean it and very easy. So we can break the tank with a special tool or with another normal tool. So I will break the tank, and now it's finished. Thank you very much.